how to change background of photos online for free and without using any photo editing software like Photoshop. Everything is done online. Let me show you how it's done. In order to change background of photos, you need a Windows or a Mac computer with active internet connection. You can also do this on your smartphones, but I prefer using my computer. Alright, after that, open up any browser you want. Then go to this website. I will leave the link of this website in the description below. Once you are here, click on upload your photo. Next, select your photo that you want to change the background of. After that, wait for this tool to remove background from your picture. Once it's removed, click on customize. In order to customize your picture, you need to create an Adobe account. Don't worry, it's completely free. It will not cost anything. After creating your account, now edit your picture the way you want, using all these tools. I will not show all of these. You can discover them by yourselves. In order to add a background to this picture, click on Photos option, upload your photo. As you can see, my selected photo is in front of my picture. In order to make it background, click on this option and drag your picture up. After that, scale it up. You can edit your picture the way you want. I know mine is very messy and it will not look good. You can do your best. After done with your editing, click on download. Select file format. I'm gonna leave it as PNG. After that, all you have to do is click on start download. Now you can see this is the picture that I changed the background of. Alright, that is one way of changing background of photos for free. If you are not happy with the result, or if your job is more complicated, then you can hire someone on Fiverr to do this job for you. People on Fiverr usually charge $5 for their projects, and I will leave some of the best Fiverr services in the description below just in case you need it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful to you by any means, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me. So thank you so much if you do. And also, if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Peace.